2401 Longest Nice Subarray. This Java code finds the length of the longest nice subarray in an integer array nums. A nice subarray is defined as one where no two numbers share a common bit when represented in binary. The method uses a sliding window approach with two pointers, left and right, and a variable bitwiseOR to track the bitwiseOR of the current subarray. It iterates through the array, adjusting the window size to ensure that the subarray remains nice, and updates the maximum length found during the process. The method returns the length of the longest nice subarray. Explanation. We maintain a window, left, right, that contains a valid nice subarray at all times. For each new element we consider nums right, we check if it can be added to our current nice subarray. If the new element shares any bits with our current subarray's bitwiseOR, we shrink the window from the left until adding the new element would make a valid nice subarray. We update our maximum length whenever we have a new valid window. Thanks for watching, and I post daily.